OOP types of diagram. Activity diagram. Activity diagram is another important behavioral diagram in UML diagram to describe dynamic aspect of the system. Activity diagram is essentially an advanced version of flowchart that modeling the flow from one activity to another activity. It is also suitable for modeling how collection of use cases coordinator to represent business workflows. 1. Identify candidates' use cases through the examination of business workflows. 2. Identify pre- and past condition that context for use cases. 3. Model workflows between within use cases. 4. Model complex workflows in operation on object. 5. Model in details complex activities in a high-level activity diagram. Case diagram. A use case diagram is dynamic or behavior diagram in UML. Use case diagram model the functionality of a system using actor and use cases. Use cases are a set of action, services, and functions that the system needs to perform. In this context, a system is something being developed or operated, such as a website. The actors are people or entities operating under defined rules within the system. So, a use case diagram is usually simple. It does not show the details of the use case set. It only summarizes some of the relationship between use cases, actor, and system. It does not show the order in which steps are performed to achieve the goals of each use cases. As I said, a use case diagram should be simple, contains only a few shapes. If you contain more than 20 use cases, you and probably misusing use case diagram. Interaction overview diagram. The interaction overview diagram focuses on the overview of the flow of control of the interaction. It is a variant of the activity diagram where the nodes are the interaction or interaction. Occurrence. The interaction overview diagram describes the interaction where message and liveliness are hidden. You can link up the real diagram and achieve high degree navigability between diagrams inside the interaction overview diagram. The example above shows a student who has been accepted into a university. First, the student must be accept or declare admission. After accepting, the student must but register for classes and apply for housing. After both of those are complete, the student must pay the registrar. If payment is not received in time, the student is excluded by the registrar. State machine UML diagram. State machine diagram is a behavior diagram which shows discrete behavior of a part of design system through definite state transition. State machine diagram can also be used to express the usage protocol of parts of a system. A state machine diagram describes all events and state the transition for a single object. A sequence diagram describes the events for a single interaction across all objects involved. Sequence UML diagram. Sequence diagram are interaction diagram that details how operations are carried out. They capture the interaction between objects in the context of collaboration. Sequence diagram are time-focused and they show the order of the interaction visually by using the vertical axis of the diagram to represent time, what messages are sent and when. Sequence diagram capture the interaction that takes place in a collaboration that either realizes a use case operation, instance diagram, or generic diagram. High-level interaction between user of the system and the system, between the system and other system, or between subsystem, sometimes known as system sequence diagram. Class diagram. A class is a blueprint for an object. Object and classes go hand in hand. We can talk about the without talking about the other. And entire points of object-oriented design is not about objects. It's about classes. Because we use classes to create objects, so a class describes what an object will be, but isn't the object itself. Purpose of class diagram. Show static structure of classifier in a system. 2. Diagram provides a basic notation for other structure diagram prescribed by UML. 3. Helpful for developers and other team members too. 4. Business analysts can use class diagram to model system from a business perspective. A UML class diagram is made of a set of classes and a set of relationships between a classes. Object diagram. Object diagram are derived from class diagram, so object diagram are dependent upon the class diagram. Object diagram represent an instance of class diagram. The basic concepts are similar for class diagram and object diagram. Object diagram also represent the static view of a system, but the static view is a snapshot of the system at a particular moment. Component diagram. Ang component diagram, also known as UML component diagram, describe the organization and writing of the physical component in a system. Component diagrams are often drawn to help model implementation details and double-check the every aspect of the system. Required function is covered by plan development.